Okay, topic 41, we're looking at the vertex form for a graph. And this is the formula you need to make sure you know by heart. Y equals A times x minus h squared plus k. So remember, the hk represents our vertex. Hk is our vertex. And you're going to have to use another point that the parabola goes through to solve for your A. Okay, so on this problem, I first look at this and the vertex is at 4, 1. And I'm going to first plug in my hk. So remember, we don't know what A is, so go ahead and write that. X minus 4, since it's opposite h, and plus 1 for the same k. Then we go back to our graph and find another point that the parabola goes through. Typically, we will give you a clear point. It will be obvious where the parabola passes through. On this one, it's 2, 3. So we're going to substitute in 2 for x, 3 for y. So we're writing 3 equals A times 2 minus 4 squared plus 1. And then we just need to simplify this properly using PEMDAS. So inside the parentheses first, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Okay? So we end up getting 3 equals 4a plus 1. Then we subtract 1 from both sides. 2 equals 4a. Divide both sides by 4, so a ends up being 1/2. Don't forget to write your final answer. Y equals 1/2 x minus 4 squared plus 1. So you need your a value, your h, and your k. And we're all done. Okay. We just have one problem for you to try. On this one, the vertex is at negative 3, 2. And it looks like the point we've given you is 2, negative 4. Okay. So pause the video, try that problem. All right, and go ahead and check your solution. And notice, hopefully you did get a negative a value, which makes sense looking at this parabola. It's an upside down parabola, so make sure you're checking your work that your answer makes sense. We do have a negative a value.